It is, in fact, time for Valentine's Day, which means it's time for girl therapy. Y'all, I just put on this cutie little outfit. It's a juicy tracksuit. Oh my god, I'm so excited because I always growing up, I was always told that I was way too big to be wearing something like this, but I feel very confident in it. I'm gonna share with you what I do for my self-care routine, and it's Saturday night, and I have no plans. There's no better way to spend that than a self-care night. First step, order your favorite comfort food. I just ordered Cracker Barrel. Hopefully the lighting is better in here now than in the last time I filmed in here because I replaced the lights with bright white lights. Actually, don't look at the back of my head because I don't. Alright, y'all, that is it for my little self-care routine / girl therapy day. Girl therapy night. 'Tis the season of love. And who better to love than yourself? I don't make the rules, just enforce them. I love y'all. I'll see you next time.